What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos. Today, we've got a very special, I'm gonna put these on. We got a very special day planned for you guys. Check this out. We got the trike, Haley's quad, and I went to the garage and grabbed stepdad's quad. So now, the three of us can actually go on an ATV adventure for you guys. This is gonna be Haley's first long ATV adventure. She doesn't realize that I'm filming, but now she does. No. Are you excited? No. Are you? She's scared, excited. She should be fine. We've had this thing out testing it. It's been a very, very, very solid machine. So hopefully it keeps up. We've got the Arctic Cat here. It's actually running and doing stuff now. So hopefully this thing will be reliable. And of course, we all know the problems we have with this guy. So this is gonna be fun. It's gonna be about a 30-mile ride, and we will see you guys at the halfway point. So. Hey folks, quick pit stop. Made it to the mile out of town. As you saw, Haley's quad is running really good. The old Arctic Cat's running really good. So we're just gonna mosey on down. We're gonna head to the farm, I think. So a little bit of a surprise for you guys today. We will see. When we get about halfway to where we're going, we'll stop and we'll pick the camera up and do another little update. But everything is running like a champ, so good. See you guys when we get there. Alright folks, we're about the halfway part here. An old place I used to come quite often as a child with my grandparents, so it's been quite the journey. Lots of grasshoppers. Come down that road there. It's absolutely crazy. Southey's that way, by the way. Southey's way far that way. And we still gotta go that way. So, how's everything going? Everything going good? Thumbs up? Thumbs up?
My hand is in pain.
You need to wear gloves probably.
No, my thumb is just a big hand in my thumb.
Yeah, you need gloves. So I'll grab you the gloves out of the thing. So, but we're gonna keep moseying. We're gonna keep moseying. Haley's first ever 30-mile ride. I can't wait, man. This is so cool. I've been wanting to do this with her forever. And now she's got a machine that we can do it. That's so cool. Well, folks, we made it. How was it, Haley? Good. How was it, hun? She didn't like the grasshoppers very much, but it is what it is. So, awesome. We're gonna do some work and then probably head back in a while. So, at the farm here, just checking out Grandpa's old workshop. This garage here, folks, is where I started my education. That shelving was never like that. But this garage here, this area here, over here, is where I got the bug, where I learned how to be a mechanic, where I learned how to do everything. It was right here. So, grinder, I'm taking that home. Oh, kind of getting choked up thinking about all the memories I've had out here. Here's my nut buster. One of them. So I'll be taking a lot of this stuff. But yeah, hard to believe. Hard to believe. Crazy. Hey folks, while we're out in the garage cleaning up some stuff and going through some of the old tools, Uncle mentioned to me that this was still here. If you guys know what this is, it's the old Ski Whiz snowmobile. Now, some of you guys who followed me in the past with my business before will know that I actually restored one of these a few years ago for a gentleman. Seeing this here, talking to Uncle, this is coming to the channel soon. We are going to be restoring it and bringing it back to its former glory. I found the original books for it and everything in the garage. So, yeah, we're gonna make this thing a museum piece, folks. This is gonna be a museum piece. Anyways, there's the W6. Let's head to the shop and see what we can finish up going on. Well, while we're over here, we also figured we'd come take a look at the old trucks, see the condition they're in. You can see the blue one. She needs a lot to bring back, but this thing's got really solid bones, so I'm not really worried about this one at all. This truck will come back, no problem. It's this one here that I always worry about. As you guys know, this here's my pride and joy. Right here. This is my pride and joy truck. It needs to sit further up, but as you guys know, I moved it, and it looks like it's sitting at an angle, kind of twisted. It's just because this tire here is flatter than a Bannock ass. And if you know that reference, you are as Canadian as I am. And I just got slapped by the girlfriend. Worth it though. But this tire here, still up and still good. So yeah, we'll be back on this, folks. We will be back on this truck. I wanted to have some updates for you guys on it this summer, but things got super crazy. There's gonna be a video I'm gonna be making about everything that's been going on. If you guys want to check it out, cool. If not, whatever. But for me, it needs to be done. Anyways, let's get back to going through my childhood shop. All right, folks. Gonna do one last little check out here of the old childhood shop. Very, 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 very first shop I ever worked in. Like I said, this is where I cut my teeth. This is where I learned how to do everything I know how to do. So, or at least got the bug to learn to do what I do, like the old drill press and stuff. And this is like I said, when I talk to you guys about old antique stuff and how I grew up with old antique stuff. Do you see what I'm talking about? Like over here, this is something that I'm gonna be taking. It's very near and dear to me. This here, this piece of metal, that tin, that means so much to me. I'm gonna talk to Uncle about that because he might want it, but that's a huge childhood thing for me. But yeah, we're just going through, checking out some of the old literature stuff. I apologize for the lighting, but there's things in here, guys, that is like still brand new, like a valve, brand new valve for Grandpa's old John Deere B. See that? I don't know if it'll focus, but this is for the John Deere B. Pretty crazy. Lots of old books. This is like I'm talking. This is where I found the stuff for the Skidoo. Look at this, old vaccines. Local dealer, Campbell's Drugstore, Southey. Like, you know, when the heck was Campbell's Drugs even a thing in Southey? So I'm actually, you know what we'll do right now, because I have somebody here who would know. My stepdad, Roy. Campbell's Drugs in Southey. How long ago do you think that is? How old do you think that is?
Jeez, that's gotta be real old. I don't know. I don't remember.
60s, 50s?
That's gotta be 60s, I think.
So that's what I'm talking about, folks. That's what we deal with here. So we're gonna keep on putzing her. As you can see, I got the grinder and I got a bunch of stuff. Some tools. I might see if I can have the vise. I might ask Uncle about that when he takes us off, if I can have it. So, because the 2 was a very integral part of growing up. I would love to have the old drill press as well, but this thing, oh, it's not, there we go. I was gonna say, this thing is so seized up from the years that I doubt it'll even work anymore. But something tells me, oh yeah, she still would work, I bet. So I'm going to talk to Uncle about this too. I'm going to see if when he comes to tear stuff down in here, I would love to have this. Even this as like an Art Deco piece. Like, I would honestly mount this to a wall in the house, just to sit there, just to look like an art piece. It's absolutely amazing. And same with the the device. I want this too, but we'll have to figure out how to get this off of here. So, oh, is it even worth? Oh, is it even worth it? Hang on. Is it broken? I don't know, guys. Is it broken?
I wonder where she's got it.
Oh no, it's not broken. It was just because it hasn't been used in so long. Yeah, that's what it is. Look at it. The thing hasn't been used in probably 20 years. So awesome. All right, guys. Well, let's keep on keeping on. What I was looking for isn't here, unfortunately. My grandpa's impact gun. I have not been able to find, but I did get his tap and die, and a few of his other awesome tools, which we'll probably go through in a future video. So, but I didn't plan on this happening in this video. This was supposed to be we head out with Haley, go on a 30-mile ride to the farm and back type of thing. But we got here, and Uncle wants to go through stuff, so we're going through stuff, folks. Should I take this wire wheel for the grinder? I think I will too. Yeah, we're going through it. So, bye-bye childhood memories, eh? Oh, this is gonna be tough. It's gonna be really tough. Alright folks, we left the farm a little bit ago. Okay, Mom had an emergency back in town, so everybody had to leave. But we'll be back to do more rummaging through my grandpa's stuff. It was very emotionally hard for me. I'm not gonna lie. It's been a hell of a day. It's been an awesome day. We're about a mile from town. I don't know if you can see it, but Southey is just right there behind me. So we're gonna see if we can cut across this field here and get in the back way. Otherwise we gotta put helmets on and go through town. People are probably wondering why I'm not riding with a helmet. That's a personal choice. If you noticed, Haley has had her helmet on the entire time. Okay, she's under 18. Personally, I've had more problems with them than I have without them. So it's just a personal choice that I make. The girlfriend also made her own personal choice. We have helmets with us, but I do recommend though, if you're out riding, wear a helmet at all times. It's safe. So, but we're gonna head now back through, and we will see you at the shop. All right, folks, we are back. I was gonna say it's really hard to film and ride at the same time, but I think I did pretty well. There's maybe one spot near the end before the last clip there that was kind of flip-floppy. I apologize for that. So, but yeah, we're back. Machines both made it. I'm gonna have to turn the fuel off on Haley's. I was waiting for it to cool down. Girls are inside getting cleaned up. I just had my shower and my supper. So, and we got dirty, folks. But, ow! It was a hell of a lot of fun. Here, I'll show you. It's under here, trying to find the petcock. There we go. Let's turn the fuel off for her. And we'll lock the brake up. I'll do this side here. Oops. Oh. So, now I'll leave it for now. Yeah, I shouldn't have. Good thing it didn't work because I do have to move these here pretty soon. When we were at the farm going through my grandpa's garage, he died. It'll be 11 years in October here. Finally going through his garage, I found a lot of tools that had a lot of sentimental value to me. One of them is the press, which is going to be going right here. So yeah, I got a hydraulic bottle press. We're going to put that here, which is going to be awesome. I got the old bench grinder, whole bunch of stuff. A lot of cool tools too. I even grabbed his hammer drill. It's an old skill drill from like the late 50s, early 60s. It's all Art Deco and metal. Cool as hell, and it still works. So also the wall-mounted drill press, that too is coming home with me, which makes me super, super happy. And a few other things that we have to get from there yet as well, but we have to leave quick, like I was saying. Mom and stepdad had a quick family emergency to be back in town, and well, they had the truck with all the stuff that we were throwing on it. So, anyways, guys, oh, I'm so stoked, so happy. It was a hell of an awesome day. Haley's quad did not miss a beat. Went to the farm and back, no problems. Of course, that thing, no problems at all. Girlfriend was on the big Arctic Cat. Of course, she ain't gonna have no problems there. I think the only problem we had was all the grasshoppers. Because, man, there was a lot. It's kind of why we had to get washed up. Like, we had bug guts all over us. It was so gross, but it was so much fun. And we're going to be doing it again here fairly soon. Just waiting for more of the crops to come off. We're going to go, when the crop's off at the farm, we're going to head back and we're going to go for a tour out on the field. Which, I can't wait for that. I think next video here, we're going to be in Pilot Butte for their car show, which is pretty cool. And then I've got some other stuff planned for you guys, just putzing around, getting some odds and ends done as usual. Skidoo the motor, get some powder coating stuff done and going, because I got some of the stuff that I need now to finish, like sawhorses and stuff. But we'll go over that too in a following video, pretty soon, in a video of all the stuff that I got from the farm. So, can't wait for that. That's going to be, some of you guys are going to like what I got. So, anyways, I'm spent. It is, what, 80 degrees in here, 82 degrees in here, something like that. So, anyways, I'm heading in, edit this up for you guys to get it for you Sunday morning, which will be, well, now as you guys are watching it. And as you're watching this, I'm in Pilot Butte filming, so, for Tuesday, so, yeah. Anyways, from all of us, I've been Mike from Dollars and Turbos. Thank you so much for taking the time to tune in and watch my videos. I'm so proud of my daughter. So proud. There and back like a champ. So I'm one proud papa. I really am. So, but yeah. Until next time, guys. Take care of yourselves. Love you. And God bless.